Today I'm going to show you how you can roll up your belt for storage or for travel. So instead of just hanging the belts up on a hanger or something, it's much more space saving and more organized to just roll them up. So what you want to do here is take the clasp of your belt in one hand and the end in the other hand. And we're going to run the end of the belt here through the clasp and underneath. So not on top like we would usually do, but underneath. Once you have it through here, what you want to do is start making a circle of the belt here. So you start spinning it around like this. You can keep going until you start meeting resistance. Now at this point, if you want to store your belt, it's as simple as putting it up like this, and you can stack them next to each other in something like this little bin here. That's how I keep mine. But if you want to travel with these, they have a tendency to start unraveling once you start putting in a bag or something. So what I like to do is that I tighten them up a little bit more here, so you can just continue spinning them up like this. Now you don't want to do too much or they'll kind of turn into like swirly when you unravel them, but just continue a little bit more. They become smaller as well, easier to store. Next, you want to take a hairband or something. I would not recommend using anything like a rubber band because that's going to wear on the leather or fabric of your belt. So just take your simple hairband here and pull it all the way over the belt like that. And now you can see it's very much secured in place. You can also use this if you want to store it at home, but perfect for travel. Easily organized. If you want to see more cool tips on how to organize your entire wardrobe, that's what this channel is all about. Also made this huge video here that you can check out with lots of tips on how to organize your wardrobe today. So see you over there.